Hello everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. So today I will show you how you can blur anyone's face in video by using Premiere Pro. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. First drag and drop your footage, and in footage you see the pen. I want to blur his face, so just go to effects and here type blur. When you type blur, then this Gaussian blur show, so apply this on footage, and on left side you can see some settings. In blurriness, just change the value like this, or you can change the value like this also. Like this you can increase the blurriness according to your need. And after this, you can select this ellipse mask, or you can select this polygon mask, or you can select this. And first I select this ellipse mask and set this mask on his face. And now I play the video. You see in video the mask is not move with his face. So again goes to settings, and in front of mask path you can see some play buttons. Here are backward mask and forward mask. Because I am at start of video, so I select this forward mask and play the tracking. When you start tracking, Premiere Pro automatically track his face, and then this blur circle automatically move with his face in whole video. So just wait for tracking, and after completing tracking we will again play the video and you see the difference of tracking. So when tracking line is complete, and now I will play the video again, and you see now this blur circle automatically move with his face in whole video because of tracking. Again check. So like this you can blur anyone's face in video, even he or she is moving. And other than ellipse, you can select this polygon mask also, like this. Or if you select this, then you can select any part of video by self, and then you can set from here blurriness, or you can track backward or forward from here, and then click on this play button for tracking. And after tracking, the mask circle or polygon shape can move with his or her face in whole video. Hope you guys understand how you can blur anyone's face in video. If you have any question, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.